Good morning, sir. My name is S. Nagachna. I am studying in Department of Civil Engineering. Today, my topic presentation about on purpose of construction of major dams and reservoirs in India. There are the four types of dams in India based on purpose. First one is storage dam. Second one is detention dam. Third one is diversion dam. Fourth one is coffer dam. Storage dam means where the water is stored for a uses of domestic purpose, industrial purpose, and agriculture purpose is called a storage dam. Detention dam. Detention dam is also called a one type of storage dam. Diversion dam. Diversion dam means where the water diverted into small streams or canals for a domestic purpose. Coffer dam. First one, storage dam or impounding dam. First one, it is constructed to create a reservoir to store water during periods when there is a huge flow in the river in excess of demand for utilization later during periods of low flow. Water stored in the reservoir is used for irrigation, power generation, water supply, etc. In this, due to heavy floods to store the water during the heavy flow of water in the rivers in excess demand for utilizing the domestic purpose of during low flow. Water is stored in a reservoir used for the power generating and irrigation and water supply for the drinking purpose, etc. This is the storage dam of the picture. This is the one type of storage dam. Detention dam. Detention dam means it is a primarily constructed to temporarily detain all or parts of the gradually release the stored flood water in a river and to later are at control rates, so that the entire region on the downstream side of the dam is protected from possible damage due to floods, and it also used to be a storage dam. The detention dam is mainly considered to a temporary detain all parts of gradually released stored flood water. It means it is a temporary structure where the heavy floods are occurred in that region to construct the detention dam for the use of storage. Next, it may be also called as a detention dam. It is a one type of detention dam picture. Diversion dam. Diversion dam means it is constructed to divert part of or all the water from a river into a conduit or a channel. For diverting water from a river into an irrigation channel, mostly diversion weir is constructed across the river. Mainly, diversion dam purpose is to divert the water into the from river to the main stream or a main canal for the purpose of irrigation or drinking purpose of to the human needs. This is the diversion dam of picture. The water is diverting from main river to canal. Coffer dam. It is a temporary dam constructed to exclude water from a specific areas. It is constructed on the upstream side of the site where the dam is constructed so that the site is dry in case of behavior like a diversion dam. Coffer dam is a temporary structure which is considered above the upstream side to be constructed, and it is used for the temporary diversion dam of the river. This is one type of coffer dam picture. Store water to they hold water from a river or rainfall to ensure there is steady of supply during the dry periods. Generate electricity. Many dams produce electricity, hydroelectric power by using the flow of water to turn turbines. Control floods. They regulate the flow of rivers, prevent downstream floods during heavy rains. Support irrigation. They supply water to farm, helping grow crops in areas where rainfall is not enough. Provide drinking water. Dam stores water that can be treated and used by nearby cities and towns. Reservoirs. A reservoir usually means a large natural artificial lake or pond impounding storage created using a dam to store water. Reservoirs can be created control a stream that drain an exact existing body of water They can be also be constructed in river valleys using a dam. Reservoir means it is a large structure which is naturally formed by a lake or stream for storage of water by exchanging control of stream. This can be also be constructed in river valleys using a dam. It is constructed in between or valleys or hills for using a dam. Purpose of rivers, reservoirs. Reservoirs may be managed to balance some of all of the following activities. First one is water supply, flood control, soil erosion, environmental management, hydroelectric power generators, generation, navigation and irrigation. Consider for successful reservoirs. From the geological point of view, a reservoir can be claimed to be successful if it is watertight, that is, it does not suffer from any serious leakage of water, and if it has a long life during very slow rate of oscillating in the reservoir basin. The reservoir, when filled, gives chances for reactivation of underlying inactive faults. This is turn gives scope for the occurrence of seismicity and landslides in the region. The success of reservoirs depends on the following factors like capacity of reservoir, effects of evaporation, water tightness and influencing factor, buried river channels, influence of rock types, influence of geological structures, influence of water table. Thank you, sir.